Hi! Welcome to Vlogmas! Happy Vlogmas to you! I don't feel very festive right now. So that's why I'm painting my toenails. How about red? So welcome to Vlogmas. I don't like vlogging throughout all December just because I feel like I'm not interesting enough to have 25 days devoted to me. So I'm doing the 12 days of Vlogmas. And basically I'll be posting today all the way up until New Year's. I meant Christmas. What holiday is this for again? But I did the 12 days of Vlogmas last year, so every day when a video goes up, I'm going to post a link to last year's vlog so that you guys can look back and watch that one. And I just think it's kind of cool to see what was happening like a year ago. And also hopefully my vlogging skills have improved a lot. Pizza. So per tradition, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, a Christmas giveaway this year. So make sure to stay tuned for a little later on in the video so I can spring it upon you. Make sure that you watch the whole video and I'll give you like little rules on how to enter. Because if you just jump on here and you don't even watch my video and you don't follow the rules, then obviously I'm not gonna pick you. Pretty. So I think it's about that time we put on some Christmas music and decorate the apartment for Christmas. Look, I still have my pumpkin out. Festive. So I wanted to decorate with Caitlin, but she's in Dallas. But like, I'm ready to get in the Christmas spirit. So sorry, Caitlin. You can watch me decorate. Where are my decorations? There's so many tiny trees in here. Tree, another tree, pulled up lights, ornament, tree, ready, tree, another. Ooh, the coolest thing ever. Another! That's Easter. It smells like trees in here, like in a good way. Another tree! The stocking! One of the girls at the salon got me this. It's cute.
Get that money back and spend it on the same thing. Shorty like the way that I ball out. I be getting money, time fall out. You talking cash, dog, I goes all out. Shorty love the way that I floss out.
Jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow.
I've encountered a problem. I just realized we don't have a fireplace anymore. So where the frick do I put the stockings?
Oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
This is so tacky. It's not that bad, right?
Time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Oh, by golly, have a
Something tragic happened. We broke the tip. Who remembers this guy? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Kiwi. For some reason, it doesn't feel like Christmas. I think I'm missing one thing.
Oh, your sweaters are just so cute. See, now it feels like Christmas.
Oh, cancel. Shh, quiet. Okay, let's do the giveaway now. I want to show you guys what I wanted to get you for Christmas. Okay, so if you remember from last year, I just put together a little stocking for you guys. It's not like a crazy giveaway. It's just something that I just want to show, like, I appreciate you guys and Merry freaking Christmas and thank you for subscribing and putting up with me when I do stupid stuff and sticking by me when the channel doesn't go as planned. Basically, just thanks for being a great subscriber. So I just want to show you guys what's going to be in your little stocking this year. To start with a little fun, I got you a game and it's called the 12 Adult Party Games of Christmas. And it just has like 12 different like card games and dice games and spinner games. And also I got myself one as well. So you can add me on Snapchat and we can play it together. Into the stocking. Also the stocking, look how cute it is. It's sparkly. This is so freaking cute. It is a little like warm hat thingy. Keep you warm in the winter. Oh my god, can I keep this? That wasn't dramatic enough. Avocado crew socks. And then I got y'all some little beauty products. So obviously a Kerastase and an Orbe, because those are the two best brands in the entire world. A dry texture spray, and I believe that I put one of these in there last year. This is seriously my favorite product ever. My second favorite product ever is this, the Incroyable Blow Dry, and you put it in before you blow dry your hair. It has some heat protectant in it, and the best part is the next day it reactivates. So if you straighten your hair one day and the next day you don't want to wash it but you want to curl your hair, it reactivates the heat protectant and you're still protected. And then I wanted to put one of these in there. It is one of the little new Neutrogena single cleansing towelettes, and they are so cute. They look like tiny little chocolates. So I'm throwing this in here for you to try, and then you can buy these at like any grocery store. And I got you some nail polish. This is in the color Everything's Peachy, although, whoa, I almost dropped it. It changes color depending on your mood. Oh my God, it's like magic. That's the color spectrum that it changes. An ornament, ready for the ornament? Last year was a unicorn. This year, it is a pink poodle. Look at its little face. I'm wrapping up the poodle in the hat because I don't want her little legs to break off. And another little ornament, but it's not really an ornament, it's really chocolate. Because FIVERR Rocher. Is that how you say the name of the candy? I'm not really positive. But anyways, whatever these little ball things are, they're amazing. That is your complete stocking. Merry Christmas. I love you guys. To enter the giveaway, make sure you just follow a few steps. One, make sure you're subscribed to my channel down below. Second, follow me on Instagram. It's ERINCAV, ERINCAVVV. Give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below saying that you'd like to enter the giveaway, and then just add your Instagram name so I can find you easier. If you don't have an Instagram, you can still enter. Just drop your email down below in the comment. I just don't know if y'all want to like put your emails out there for everyone to see, but like I figured with Instagram, we can all just like scroll through and follow each other. And that's all that you have to do. I'm just gonna put all of your names in like a generator that I'll find online. I'm going to choose the giveaway winner on the 18th on Tuesday. I'll pin your comment down below and then try and reach out to you on social media. That'll give them hopefully enough days to get your package to you. So, yay! I'm looking for something to watch on Netflix. I already know what I want to watch. I swear Love Simon was just on Netflix. It's on maybe HBO Go? Life is rough. HBO Go. Guilty pleasure, peanut butter, and I've been eating like chocolate chips. Love me! Let's watch a movie! Yay. I'm so happy. Peanut butter?
And then there's my friends.
Thanks for watching Vlogmas Day 1. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for another Vlogmas. What are you doing, punk? Your whisker went in my nose. Make sure to enter the giveaway. Look at that little face. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Later, skaters.